Everyone thinks the best-selling countertop ovens are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. First up, we have the Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. Priced at $113.59, this oven caught my eye with its spacious design and 25-quart capacity. If you want a countertop oven that can handle family-sized meals with ease, this is worth a serious look. The Gourmet is not just about size. It offers 17 cooking presets, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, and more. Imagine baking a fluffy cake or roasting a chicken, all with the touch of a button. The Fry-Force convection technology ensures even cooking, which is crucial for consistent results. Plus, the digital display makes it super easy to adjust the time and temperature, ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With over 4,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that people love this oven. Now, some people complained about the initial learning curve with the settings. Here's the thing though, I found that once you get the hang of it, the versatility is totally worth it. You just need a little patience at first. This is perfect for you if you love cooking for a crowd and want a reliable oven that does it all. Skip this one if you need something compact, since this takes up more counter space. For the price, you really get a lot of bang for your buck.
Product number 2, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, priced at $189.30. What's intriguing about this product is its 8-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for an oven that can air fry, bake, and even toast, this one deserves your attention. This Ninja combo stands out because of its flip-up design that saves counter space when you're done cooking. It also features an air fry basket and a remove. Product number 3, Media Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. This one's got a generous 26.4 quart capacity, which is fantastic if you're baking for larger families. What really sets this oven apart is its Cyclone air fryer feature, which claims to cook 25% faster and use 90% less oil compared to traditional methods. For baking, this means your cakes come out moist and fluffy without excess grease. It offers 10 cooking functions, from air frying to slow cooking, giving you a ton of flexibility in the kitchen. The precise temperature control also allows you to adjust in 5-degree increments, which is essential for getting your cake just right. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the door can be a bit tricky to close properly. But let's be real, it's not a deal breaker as long as you're careful. It's still an incredible option for anyone wanting a versatile oven that covers all bases. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking a variety of meals and want something spacious. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact or straightforward. The features you get for the price are definitely impressive.
Product number 4, Elite Gourmet Personal Compact Toaster Oven. Next up is the Elite Gourmet Personal Compact Toaster Oven. This one's for those who want simplicity without breaking the bank. It's super affordable, but it gets the job done for basic baking needs. With a 2-slice capacity, it's perfect for smaller kitchens or for those who don't bake huge quantities. It includes a 15-minute timer and adjustable temperature settings, making it user-friendly. You can bake, broil, or toast, which covers the essentials for most bakers. Now, while it's not as feature-rich as others on this list, it's a great starter oven. However, some users noted that it doesn't heat up as evenly as larger ovens, but honestly, if you're just looking to bake a small cake or some cookies, this is still a great option. It's compact and efficient, which is a major plus for tight spaces. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner baker or have limited counter space. Skip this one if you need to bake larger batches or require more advanced features. For the price, it's a solid choice.
Product number 5, NewWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Finally, we have the NewWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $272.59. This one is a powerhouse, boasting a 30-quart capacity and 100 cooking presets. If you're serious about baking, this is a fantastic choice. What impressed me the most is the improved fan speed that promises quicker and crispier results. If you want to bake cakes that have that perfect golden brown top, this oven can do it with its adjustable heating elements. The integrated smart thermometer is a game changer. It monitors your food's internal temperature so you get perfectly baked goods every time. With a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can tackle everything from cakes to pizzas. Now, some users found it a bit overwhelming due to all the settings, but honestly, if you're willing to spend a little time learning, the results are totally worth it. It opens up a world of baking possibilities. This is perfect for you if you're an avid baker looking for versatility and precision. Skip this one if you prefer a no-frills oven. For the investment, you're getting a top-tier appliance.
So to quickly recap, the Gourmet offers great capacity and versatility. The Ninja brings multifunctionality to the table. The Midea excels in speed and oil efficiency. The Elite Gourmet is perfect for beginners. And the New Wave Bravo XL is a powerhouse for serious bakers. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you're looking for in a countertop oven. Happy baking!